Hello everyone. In previous video we have completed NCERT all exercises. In this video we will discuss from ML Agrawal lines and angle, that is chapter number 9. Means in NCERT, that is chapter number 5. When you will read in NCERT chapter number 5, then in that time you will read in ML Agrawal chapter number 9. Clear? Chapter number 9. Clear? In part 1 I told you introduction of this chapter. Clear? Today in this video we will start exercise 9.1. Now first question. In first question only you can give the answer in yes or no. Can two right angle be complementary? Can two right angle? Right angle means 90 degree. Clear? Can two right angle be 90 degree? Right angle means 90 degree. Means if two 90 degree angle you will take, after that when you will do plus, you will get 180 degree. It is not a complementary, it is a supplementary. Clear? Means first one is answer no. Means asking can two right angle be complementary? No. Clear? Second one, can two right angle be supplementary? It is yes. Third one, can two adjacent angle be complementary? Third one, it is yes. Can two adjacent angle be supplementary? Yes. Can two obtuse angle be adjacent? It is also yes. Can an acute angle be adjacent to an obtuse angle? Yes. Can two right angle from a linear pair? Yes, it is also yes. Second one, question number second, find the complement of each of the following angle. In 5.1 exercise NCERT we have done like this question. Means if digit is same you will not do again, but question is same, digit is different, that question you will do. Clear? Second one, given it is 25 degree. Clear? Find the complement of each of the following. Clear? Let the complement angle Bx. Clear? X plus 25 degree equal to 90 degree. Complementary angle I told you, when the sum of two angle is 90 degree, that is complementary. After that x equal to 90 minus 25. X equal to how much? 565. 65 degree is the answer. Means in second all the part you can do like this. Question number 3, find the supplement of each of the following. Means in supplement you can do sum of two angle is 180 degree, that is supplementary. Note down this. Question number 3. First, angle is given 105. Clear? Supplement angle. Let the supplement angle be x. Clear? X plus 105 degree equal to 180 degree. Then x equal to 180 minus 105. X equal to 75. Clear? It is the answer. When the sum of two angle is 180, that is supplementary angle. When the sum of two angle is 90 degree, that is complementary angle. Clear? Note down this. Question number 4. Identify which of the following pair of angle are complementary and which are supplementary. Means this type question we have done in NCERT. Same. Means whatever part is given, that part and that angle first of all you will write and do sum. If answer is coming 180, that is supplementary angle. Answer is coming 90 degree, that is complementary. Question number 4, identify. Clear? You can do this. Question number 5, same question we have done in NCERT. Clear? You will not do in ML Agrawal. Clear? Same. Find the angle which is equal to its complement and find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Clear? Same question you have done. 6th one. Question number 6. Question number 6. Two complementary angles are. Two complementary angles equal to what? X plus 4 and 2x minus 7. Clear? According to question, find the value of x. Asking, find the value of x. X equal to what? Complementary angle, we know that x plus 4 plus 2x minus 7 equal to 90 degree. We know that when the sum of two angle is 90 degree, that is complementary. Clear? X plus 2x, 3x plus 4 minus 7, 7 minus 4, 3 minus, why you are taking minus? Because 7 is greater than 4. 90. Transposition, 3x equal to 90 plus 3 minus 3, there you will write, sign will be changed. 93. Clear? Then x equal to 93 by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Clear? Then x equal to 31. Clear? And question number 7, there is also supplementary angle are given in ratio form. Clear? To find the angles. Note down. That also you can do. Let the ratio h be x. First angle 2x, second angle 7x. Note down. Question number 7. Two supplementary angles. Two supplementary angles equal to 2:7 given in ratio form. Clear? Let the ratio as b x. Clear? Let the ratio as be x. First angle 2x, second angle 7x. Clear? According to question, 2x plus 7x equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 7x, 9x equal to 180. Then x equal to 180 by 9. 9 2 means x equal to 20. In previous question was asking, find the value of x only. If find the value of x is asking, only do this much. But if in the question asking find the angles also. Clear? Here is asking angles means first angle 2x means 2 into 20, 40. Second angle 7x, 7 into 20, 140 degree means first angle is 40, second angle is 140. If you want to check your answer is correct or not, you know that I told you in the sum of two angle is 180 degree, that is supplementary. First angle is 40, second angle is 140. When you will do plus, you will get 180. Note down. Question number 8. Among two supplementary angle, the measure of the longer angle is 44 degree, more than the measure of the smaller angle. Find their measure. Clear? Let the smaller angle, let the smaller angle be x, longer angle longer angle 44 degree more means x plus 40. Clear? About the supplementary discussing according to question. Clear? x plus 44 equal to 180 degree. Clear? Among two supplementary angles, when the sum of two angle is 180 degree, that is supplementary. 2x equal to 180 minus 44. 2x equal to 6, n minus 4 6, 3 136. Then x equal to 136 by 2. 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16. X equal to 68. 68. Clear? Find their measure. X equal to 68 means smaller angle is x means 68, longer x plus 44 means 68 plus 44 112. Note down. If you want to check your answer is correct or not, you can do sum smaller angle and longer angle. If your answer is coming 180 degree, that is correct. Question number 9 you can do. Question number 10. Two adjacent angles are in the ratio 5:3 and they together in the ratio 5:3 they together form an angle of 128. Find these angles. Two adjacent angles are in the ratio 5:3 and they together form an angle of 128 degree. Find these angles. Clear? Question number 10. Let the ratio as be yes. If a question given in ratio form, first of all you will write let the ratio as be x. Clear? First angle 5x, second angle 2x, given 3x. They together means according to question 5x plus 3x equal to 128. Clear? 8x equal to 128, x equal to 128 by 8. X equal to 16. Clear? Now angles first angle 5x, 5 into 16 equal to 80. Second angle 3x means 3 into 16 equal to 48. Clear? If you want to check it is correct or not, you can do plus 80 plus 48. When you will do, you will get 128. Note down this. Question number 11. First. Clear? Angle is given x 41, 130 and 105. Clear? Find the value of x. So all the angles are given. We will do plus x plus 41, 105, 130 equal to 360. It is complete angle. We will do plus x plus 516, 40437, 112 equal to 360. then x equal to 360 minus 276. Transposition plus there you will write, sign will be changed. X equal to 4, 8. Clear? Means x equal to how much degree? 84 degree is the answer. What we have done? We will do plus all the angles. It is a complete angle, means 360 degree. Clear? Note down. Second part you can do. Question number 11, third part. It is also very easy. Second and third is same. Clear? Third I am explaining. First is 2x plus 10. Second is 3x minus 10. And third one 40 degree angle. Clear? By linear pair we can find like 2x plus 10, 3x minus 10 plus 40 equal to 180 by linear pair. Clear? 2x plus 10, 3x minus 10 plus 40 equal to 180 degree. After that 2x plus 3x 5x plus 10 minus 10 cancel plus 40 equal to 180. 5x equal to 180 minus 40, then 5x equal to 140. X equal to 140 by 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 8 is 40. Then x equal to 28. X equal to 28. It is answer. Question number 12. Find the value of x, y and z. Each of the following diagram. Question number 12. It is a x, it is a y, it is a z, and it is 135. Clear? Asking to find the value of x, y and z. Clear? Y equal to 135 degree. We can write by vertically opposite. By vertically opposite angle. Clear? Then y plus x equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Y equal to 135 plus x equal to 180. X equal to 180 minus 135. X equal to 45 degree. Clear? Y equal to 135. Then z equal to x vertically opposite angle. Then z equal to 45. Means x equal to 45, y equal to 135, z equal to 45. Clear? Note down. 12 rest part you can do second and third. Clear? Question number 12 second I will explain. It is very easy, but I think one problem is there. It is the sign is given. This sign is 90 degree angle. Clear? If you will not understand which it is the angle, then you can't solve this equation. That's why I am explaining this. Z. See, it is a X, Y, Z. It is 31 and it is a 90 degree angle. It is the sine of 90 degree. First of all, you find the value of X. X equal to 31 degree by vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. Clear? Then you can find value of Y. Y plus 90 plus X equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Then Y plus 90 plus 31 equal to 180. Y plus 121 equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 120. Then Y equal to 59. Clear? After that, angle Z equal to angle Y. Vertically opposite angle. So angle Z equal to 59. Clear? X equal to 31, Y equal to 59, Z equal to 59. Clear? Note down this. Question number 13. It is the last question of this exercise. Clear? D, A, F, B, C, E. Clear? And this angle is given 50 degree. Okay. First of all, you write what is given here. Clear? Here is given angle CFB equal to 50 degree, and here is asking angle EFC, and one more thing is given angle EFA equal to angle AFD. Solution. It is given that in your question. Solution, how you will do? This angle is vertically opposite angle, means angle AFD equal to angle CFB, vertically opposite angle. Clear? Means angle AFD equal to 50 degree. Clear? Then it is asking this angle is also 50 degree. Why 50 degree? Because angle EFA equal to angle AFD, means angle EFA equal to angle AFD, it is given, means angle EFA equal to 50 degree. Clear? Asking this angle. This angle is asking. We know that angle EFA plus angle EFC plus angle CFB equal to 180 degree by linear pair. So EFA 50 degree, angle EFC plus it is also 50 equal to 180. 100 plus angle EFC equal to 180. So angle EFC equal to 180 minus 100. Clear? Means angle EFC equal to 80 degree. Means it is how much coming? 80 degree. What we have done? Listen one more time. Angle CFB equal to 50 degree. It is given. EFC asking. EFA equal to AFD. It is given. Clear? We know that angle AFD equal to CFB by vertically opposite angle, means angle AFD how much? 50 degree. Clear? Angle AFA equal to AFD, it is given, means EFA equal to 50, it is also 50 degree. Clear? Asking EFC, means angle EFA plus angle EFC plus angle CFB equal to 180 by linear pair. Put the value, whatever angle is given, that value you will put. 50 plus EFC plus 50 equal to 180, means 100 plus angle EFC equal to 180. Angle EFC equal to 180 minus 100, means angle EFC equal to 80 degree. Okay, this exercise is complete. Thank you.